In this video, we're crafting and counting numbers 1 to 10.
Let's craft number 1. One.
Let's show number 1 on the 10 frame. 1.
Now let's count. 1. 1 red circle.
Next, we'll trace the number 1.
1 pom-pom.
Let's craft number 2. 2.
We can show the number 2 using tally marks. 1, 2.
Let's count these shapes. 1, 2. 2 orange ovals.
Next, we'll trace the number 2.
1, 2. 2 craft sticks.
Let's craft number 3. 3.
Let's show the number 3 using a number line. 1, 2, 3.
Let's count these shapes together. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow triangles.
Triangles have 3 sides. Next, let's trace number 3.
1, 2, 3. 3 crayons.
Let's craft number 4. 4.
Let's show the number 4 on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's count these shapes together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green squares.
A square has 4 equal sides. Let's trace the number 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clothespins.
Let's craft number 5. 5.
Let's show number 5 using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's count these shapes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue pentagons.
A pentagon has 5 sides. Next, we'll trace the number 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. We're almost there. Let's keep on going.
Let's craft number 6. Six.
Let's show the number 6 on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Next, let's count these shapes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 purple hexagons.
A hexagon has 6 sides. Let's trace the number 6.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stones.
Let's craft number 7. Seven.
Let's show the number 7 on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Let's count these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red heptagons.
Heptagons have 7 sides. Let's trace the number 7 together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks.
Let's craft number 8.
Let's show the number 8 using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's count these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 orange octagons.
An octagon has 8 sides. Now, let's trace the number 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coins.
Let's craft number 9. 9.
Let's show the number 9 on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now, let's count these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 yellow nonagons.
A nonagon has 9 sides. Let's trace the number 9.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 buttons.
Finally, let's craft number 10.
Let's show the number 10 on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 green decagons.
Decagons have 10 sides. Let's trace the number 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bottle caps. Now, let's count from 1 to 10 again.
1 pom-pom.
2 craft sticks.
3 crayons.
4 clothespins.
5 beads.
6 stones.
7 blocks.
8 coins.
9 buttons.
10 bottle caps.